If you're into crypto and looking for something fun for yourself, or maybe you're looking for a really nice present for one of your crypto bros, then I have just the thing for you. Check this out. This right here is a Bitcoin solo miner. First of all, this is a nice display item for your desk setup. And secondly, this is like a lottery ticket. It's a slim chance, but you might get lucky and this miner gets the hash right and you will end up with a full block reward. And what's also cool about the Mars Lander solo miner is that you can increase your chances by a massive margin by daisy chaining another miner to it right here. More hash power, more chances to win. So yeah, let's check it out in detail. Not your keys, not your coins, not your keys, not your crypto. You already know, hopefully, managing your keys, your stash and your passwords correctly and according to the highest safety standards is of the essence. It's very important. As important as managing your smartphone properly, especially if you use it for authentication and so on. And just like any computer system, you should back it up on a regular basis. Your phone data, your authenticator, nice rhyme. All of that you should back it up on a regular basis because let's face it, almost no one is calculating with the fact that your smartphone might die spontaneously. And even though the chance is slim, it is way better to be safe than sorry. Because if you can't restore your data, you might be very sorry. But of course, doing this manually is a lot of work. And especially if you're not that tech savvy, things might go wrong. Who knows? But no worries, I have the perfect solution for you or maybe for your clumsy friend. Introducing Dr.Fone by Wondershare, your complete mobile solution. Dr.Fone is a simple but a very powerful program that provides a substantial toolset for solving all kinds of iOS and Android problems. Aside from phone backups, this also can be used for way worse scenarios like system breakdowns, complicated data transfers, or even data recovery. The most powerful feature of this software is arguably that you can unlock pretty much every phone with it. You can remove all sorts of lock screens, pins, passwords, and you can even skip the Apple or Google ID or Google account activation. So powerful. And as I said, it works for Apple and for Android. No tech knowledge required whatsoever, everyone can handle it. Secondly, it also offers data recovery tools with the highest success rates in the industry. With this, you can easily restore deleted files, lost files, photos, messages, and many other data types. So if you lost your phone data for any reason, Dr.Fone will bring it back for you. And thirdly, this software is also super handy for transitioning between different brands, different operating systems. So whether you're switching from iOS to Android or from Android to iOS, it has never been easier to move files between these systems. Thanks to Dr.Fone, with just a few clicks, you can move your contacts, your chats, your messages, your SMS, photos, videos, you name it. You can move it effortless between the phones. And this is compatible with Android 13 and iOS 16, by the way. So check it out. First link in the description. Download Dr.Fone right now. I got the new drip from bitcoinmerch.com, the Mars Lander solo miner and the bigger brother, the Gecko miner, to boost the hash rate significantly. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. bitcoinmerch.com is, as the name suggests, one of the best online shops for all things crypto. We're talking guides, apparel, miners, you name it. And they even sell top of the line mining rigs, aside from the small solo miners right here. Super fast shipping for all orders and they offer great pricing as well. As I said, they also have detailed beginner guides that will help you with the setup of this solo miner right here. Just an example. So if you're new to this space and if you're looking for something beginner friendly, this is a great place to start as well. Super well laid out shop page. You can sort the products by brand, by coin. It's very intuitive and easy to use. Great UI. So if you want to upgrade your mining equipment or if you want to get started with something small, bitcoinmerch.com is the perfect place to do so. It is of course all listed and linked in the description, so check it out right now. So as you can see, I wasn't able to wait for the video with the unboxing, so I will just show you the box. This is the box of the solo miner Mars Lander. This side here with all the specs and features once again, and the same on the bottom. Pretty cool box because when we open it up, aside from nice padding, we have some Easter eggs right there. Proof of work explained. Really nice details. I like it a lot. Love it. And inside the box was this solo miner. I have already tested it and I already went through the setup. It's working nicely, just eye candy right here. And we also have the Gecko Science one right here. But let's start with the accessories and the manual. So we will of course also get power cables. We will also get a little remote to change the colors. There are also USB Ethernet upgrade adapters available. Then there is also this, a little 3D printed Bitcoin right there, and also this heavy brass one looking so cool. Nice. And also USB stick, memory card was included as well with the adapter right here. And you will of course also get the power supplies for the miners. So right there, plugs in right here. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have the Solo Miner with this amazing looking plexiglass housing with this enclosure right here with all the cutouts for the power brick and all of that. Of course, this for cooling. And here we have the miner. So as you can see, it's a beautiful display item with a screen and a fan on top. And that's the ASIC right here. And we have 8 RGB LEDs. And we also have the Gecko miner. So yeah, let's take a close look. So the top right here, that's the front with all the ports and the display of course. Then this is it from the side, looking nice. And from the back with the power port right there. Bottom is kept simple. And right here we have the USB port right here for daisy chaining these miners together, which is amazing. So we have the case. And now let's check out the bigger brother, Gecko Science miner right here. So this is basically the front side, or actually maybe it's the back side, with all the ports. Massive cooling structure in here, 4 nice rubber feet on the bottom. That's the side. Our side, same. And right here we have the massive cooling fan. And what's neat is you can basically just configure this miner right here. And the way to do it is by putting the instructions on this SD card right here, and you put it back into the miner, boom. And then right here, you can just plug in the USB cable and plug it into the Solo Miner and daisy chain them together. So you just need to configure one miner and this other one will just support it with its hash power. Again, this is to increase your chance of actually finding a block. So let's put it inside of the housing, plug in the second one, and now let's power it up. So and there we have it, and with the remote you can fully customize it, red, green, blue, white, and there are also different presets, fade, so we have the flash, it's just this jumping color change. We have the rainbow fade effect, this is my favorite. Then we also have a different fade, so yeah, I like this one the most. And now check this out, we have the Bitcoin price and all sorts of infos, and when you find a block, as you saw, you will get quite a bit of cash. Nice animations on here. So yeah, it's not that loud as you can hear, so it's just awesome for a little desk upgrade. And now with the Gecko Science miner in the mix, this is what it looks like when both miners are powered up and doing their thing. And now let's turn off all the lights so that you can get a good feel for what this setup will look like on your desk. And in the background you can hear the fans. It's not too bad, but you can hear them just a little bit. Big thumbs up from my side, it's looking amazing. So as you saw, a little device like this is a great way, a great start to get into the space, or also of course to help a friend or a relative to get started, to get their hands wet, so to say. Definitely worth the money because this right here is a future. No question about it, at least if you ask me. Keep your security tight, check out Dr.Fone, back up your smartphone regularly. And if you're looking for great crypto merch, then bitcoinmerch.com is a way to go. Both services are definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.